Hello, my friends. How are you? In this video, we are going to make a live coding challenge. We are going to make a clone from Facebook using Ionic Framework. Are you ready? Let's start. So we open iTerm, we skip this version, and we go to CD documents and GitHub and Ionic start let's say uh, Facebook clone, and let's choose Angular, and let's choose to be uh, just just blank project. Okay. Now the dependencies are being installed. So we are waiting a few seconds. Okay, now we are done. Let's cd to Facebook clone, and we type Ionic serve for serving our app in the browser so we can see the results. Okay, it's generating browser bundles. Okay, let's inspect and view in mobile mode. Let's refresh our project, and here is it. We are going to make it look like something like this. Let's uh, let's start doing it. Okay. Uh, let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Let's go to our terminal and open the project. And from here we are going to make the serve. Okay. So it's run again for the same port, so we can close this uh, tab and reload this. So here we can uh, open source folder and go to home and start messing with the code. Let's close this, and in the header we have uh, two menus, the main menu and a secondary menu. So let's start with the main menu, and let's let's type also secondary menu. Okay. uh, so for the main menu we have h3, which contains Facebook word, and we have two icons, uh, div containing uh, insert uh, search icon. Okay, ion icon, name search. Okay, and uh, we can insert menu icon here. So we remove these two uh, these two comments. So if we go to our project, we will see Facebook word, uh, but it's not truly appearing. So we can remove this, and it's appearing now. Uh, so we need to apply some styles. We go to our test file and go here and say flex, and flex direction is row, and justify content space between, and items justify items uh, center. We need also margin right and left, margin right of 10 pixels and margin left of 10 pixels. Okay, so it's beginning to be. Let's remove this for better view. Okay, I think space between prefix justify align items, uh, align items center. Okay, uh, we have in the main menu a div, uh, div which contains ion icons. For the ion icons, we need to make the font just a little bigger, so we can make it around 25 pixels. uh, I think ion icon. Okay, so we need also to make a space between them, so we make a margin of 2 pixels and make a background of uh, gray color, uh, gray color. We need just it to be little lighter. We need the border radius to be 50%, and we need some padding of 5 pixels. Okay, I think now uh, it may be like the design, but this needs to be a little lighter. Okay, okay, maybe like this. And for the H3, we want color to be the Facebook color. We can uh, we can we can make this hack, get the color picker and go to Facebook logo and pick the color and get the hex code for our app. So this can be the color. So we can make the font weight just border, font weight, and also uh, we need to make the font size bigger, font size of 30 pixels maybe. Okay, uh, look, look nice. Okay, so for the secondary menu, we have some icons. Uh, for the secondary menu, we have some icons. Uh, we have home and person ion icon. Okay, home, uh, person, chat bubble, uh, BC, or uh, notification, and last but not least, people. Okay, uh, let's see our result. I think ion icons. Uh, we have here our something like TV. It's called desktop. Okay, not PC. It's called desktop. Okay. Also notifications. Okay. Now we have our icons. So we go here and let's copy the class name, secondary menu, and go here and apply some styles. Uh, let's copy the same styles and without the background. Okay, and okay, space between. Let's make the font size just a little bigger, uh, so it may be uh, maybe we need to remove the step first. Font size to be 40 pixels. No, it's so big. 30 pixels maybe. Maybe 25. Okay, 25 seems okay. Uh, let's refresh. Looks nice on iPhone. Let's refresh on Android. It looks so nice on Android. Okay, let's go back for iPhone and let's continue making our layout. Okay, so we need to make this little div which contains avatar and contains input with some placeholder text and contains some icon. Let's go to our Ionic app and here let's create div uh, new post, and for the new post we have like we said avatar, ion avatar with image, and this image should be uh, my own image. Let's copy the link address for it. I'm not sure if it may work. And then we have ion input. Oh, I think Copilot is helping me. And then uh, we have ion icon of this photo. I think it's a div of ion icon. Uh, name, I think it's album, and underneath it there's little text called photo, Uh, so style display flex, and I need to make the flex direction to be column. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, so let's take this new post and apply some styles, display flex, and justify margin. Okay, okay, justify content. Okay, let's change my picture to be appearing. Okay, if as it's not saving. So I may use some picture from here. Documents, okay, in circle, GitHub, Facebook clone, source, assets, and put here uh, me.png. Okay, and go here and select the source. So for source, I need to make uh, assets, asset slash me.png. Let's make sure it's working. Okay. Uh, for the icon, let's make sure it's called albums, not album. Okay. So this icon must be just a little bigger. Style, font size, 40 pixels. Okay. Uh, I think 30 is good. Okay. So uh, justify content, justify content, center, online icon, center. Okay. Uh, I need to make this uh, in the center. Dev. Okay. I'm post. I'm avatar. I'm text area. Okay. New post. Justify content. This is me. Okay. Text area. I need the text area to be to have a background, gray. So it's not changing its background. Okay, so I need to just use text area, not ein text area, for some simplicity. Okay, area. Okay, okay. Invoice. Oh, I knew the error. There is a little dash here while we didn't make uh, a dash there. So, okay, let's just go for Stack Overflow or maybe uh, make color white, make placeholder color white. Okay, text area, make color white, change text color, mm, color, mm, so white not applying, maybe area, mm, let's inspect this element. Okay, uh, this is changed. That's correct. No, I have no idea how it's applying. Ion text area and this to be ion text area and this to be ion text area. I think now it's applying. So we have border radius 10 pixels. I think 10 is not enough. So we need to make uh, some more curve. 20 maybe. Okay, 20 may be enough, but we need to make it uh, to make uh, to make some margins. Margin right. Uh, what's this? Maybe 10 enough. Okay. So for this for this this holder uh, heading start heading start 10 pixel. Okay. Uh, for font size 25 pixel maybe no too much 20 pixels okay margin 0. Okay. So we need here to uh, make this to the bottom and enhance its size. So for the album here, the okay, new picture class, new picture class. Uh, let's see how it looks. Let's remove this. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, so uh, in its place, but uh, we need to make some enhancement. Okay, first, this text line, text area must be one line only. So we need to um, um, control its height. So might be 550 pixels. And for the image of Ion avatar, uh, height must be 50 pixels too. Okay, for the new picture, height it must be 50 pixels too. Okay, and for the Ion icon font size, font size maybe 20 pixels. And for the paragraph, it shouldn't have margin or padding, margin or padding. Okay, let's control this. Make it 30 pixels. Okay, let's make display flex direction column, and flex justify content center and align items center. Nice. So we have a background here. It's a little gray, not the darker gray. So we will replace this with this, but in the Facebook we have the text in black. So we change the text here in black to be black. Okay, we have it in black right now. Okay, but is it in the center? I think no. So we have padding top 5 pixels, 15 pixels, 10 pixels, 12 pixels. I think now in the exact center. Okay, nice. So we have some padding in the rail application, and we have the icons outlined. So we make the outline. Okay, 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 okay. Nice. So we have some margin for the new post here. Uh, Margin top 10 pixel. Okay. Uh, so we have finished this area. I think we need to make a card or something like this. But first we need to make this color. We need to make this color little lighter. Okay. Uh, let's get Ionic card. Ionic card from here. Okay. So we bought a card right here. Dev post and add a post a picture. For example, we can have this picture, copy link address, uh, and put it here. Iron image, iron image of source. I'm not sure if it will work. Okay, it worked. So we have here uh, some bolded text. Let's see this post, for example. We have a post, a poster, post, post, uh, post, poster. Okay, so here uh, we, I think uh, we have here a ready markup by Copilot. I'm I'm content. Okay. Posters, therefore, okay, okay. So let's go to posters. I think let's let's paste let's make okay, okay, and avatar, okay, okay, okay. Avatar. Let's make a div here and copy this here and beautify this post info. Okay, let's move one ND tag here. Okay, new picture. Okay, we are here. Post header. Okay, post header. Post info. Okay, okay, we are just cleaning the structure of our application so it become easily understandable. For the post header, we have Ion avatar, okay, display flex and the flex direction rule, justify content, this between, maybe, okay, no, we don't want this between, justify content, we want flex start, we want the post info to be column, okay, let's check this, okay, John Doe, and we have some text. Let's put the picture here, okay, post header, post content, okay, uh, div post picture, okay, let's copy the picture mentioned here in Ionic documentation. Okay, we have this uh, right here. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, so style float right. I think float won't work here. Okay, post header icon flex align line cell flex end. Uh, so uh, uh, I think I'm coming in a second. just a cup of water. Okay, so for the flex, align end of row. Okay, okay, okay. Justify content. Let's between. Okay, okay. So um, they are mentioning uh, here to be space between, okay, and here display flex direction, uh, align cell, flex start. Start. Okay, okay. So let's go back to the documentation. Flex. Okay. Okay. Start end. Okay. So it's justify self. Let's move this. Uh, let's start here. Okay. Okay. So I got it. So we have uh, an avatar here and the post info here. Both of these will be an a div. Okay, and this div uh, okay, oh, okay, so we made it. Uh, Font size here must be 30 pixels. Uh, I think it's too much. Uh, Maybe 25. Okay, we need to make some posts. Posts. I think margin top to be 20 pixels and uh, ion icon justify there and okay. Uh, so in this post header, so in this post we have ion icon post. We have ion icon a post header post header. Okay, I think uh, it's good right now. We need to make some padding, some margin down, margin bottom for the post header. I think too much, 10 pixels, maybe enough. Okay, for the font, uh, post content, post, okay, 5 pixels, okay, 10 pixels maybe. Nothing happens. So let's double check. Where is the problem? Here is the post. It's not inside the post. I think we can. Post content. Okay. Okay. I think we need to decrease the margin. Okay. So now we have the step of making this like, comment, and share buttons uh, more just trigger. Okay, just on content specific name. Okay, so for an icon, we need to make some background. I think it needs to be in a container or something like this. So we will move it in a container for every icon of this. Let's make a dump background of red, for example. Let's increase the width. I want to make it in the center. So text align center, uh, new work. Okay. So also I want to make it round the corners. Okay. Let's move to our tree. Uh, let's increase the width to be 30%, for example. Okay. Uh, let's change this to be a real name, my name. Okay. And let's change the posts to be multiple posts. So uh, here uh, we may say ng4 ng4 let post of 1, 2, 3 posts. Okay, uh, let's make a margin between every post and the other post. So uh, oh, we made our Facebook. Oh, we have made the layout. Uh, it looks so close, right? Uh, it looks so close. I hope you like this video. To me, when I recorded a 30 minutes while there wasn't an audio uh, coming out from my phone. Okay, so this was our video for today. It was live doing a Facebook offline UI, and I hope you like that. Uh, if you like this video and want more of these live coding challenges, I can do more. Just hit like and comment with your expectations. Thank you and goodbye.